you should expect from the novel Lekki Headmaster as a JAMB bite, as a JAMB candidate. You already know that the Lekki Headmaster by KARBIL, ALABI, GARBA is compulsory. So let me walk you through those questions that will come out so that you don't get surprised, right? Okay. Number one, who is the protagonist of the novel? Protagonist is like the main character of the novel. Who is the protagonist of the novel? The answer is it Banky? Is it A. Banky, B. Beppo, C. Mrs. Ibidun Gloss, D. Mr. Ogunwale? The answer is B. The answer is B. Mr. Beppo. What is the full name of the principal referred to as Beppo? A. Beppo Adebowale, B. Adewale Adebeppo, C. Adebayo Beppo, D. Adekunle Beppo. The answer is B. His name is Adewale. Right? The answer is B. I hope you are following. Just follow me. This is very, very important. Which teacher was known for her witty remarks in the book? Which teacher was known for her witty remarks in the book? Mrs. Ibidon Gloss, Mrs. Ape, Mrs. Audu. Mr. Audu, D. Mr. Amos. The answer is A. Mrs. Ibidon Gloss. Number 4. Who were the two students involved in the rivalry dating back to JSS 3? A. Banky and N.H.S. B. Jide and Kemi. C. Seri and Tai. D. Oba and Tosh. The answer is A. Banky and N.H.S. I hope you are following. Which character is deeply committed to African history and culture? A. Mr. Ogunwale. B. Beppo. C. Jide. D. Mrs. Gloss. The answer is B. The principal, Mr. Beppo. Section 2. Number 6. What themes is central in the rivalry between Banky and N.H.S? A. Democracy. B. Social justice. C. Family and politics. D. Cultural diversity. The answer is C. Family and politics. Okay, I want you to be noting these answers. These are the things that JAMB will search for you. Number 7. The recurring phrase, if you say education is expensive, try ignorance, reflects which theme? A. Importance of hard work. B. Value and education. C. Leadership struggle. D. Sacrifice and dedication. If you say education is expensive, try ignorance. It reflects the theme of B. Value of education. Number 8. The novel explores the effect of migration under which term? A. Brain drain. B. Japa syndrome. C. Wanderlust. C. D. Exodus. The answer is B. Japa syndrome. It's a theme that keeps recurring in the book. Number 9. What theme is highlighted through the depiction of the Badagry Slave Museum? A. Liberation. B. Historical memory. C. African resilience. D. Colonialization. The answer is B. Historical memory. The sacrifices made by Beppo reflect which central theme of the book? A. Family loyalty. B. Dedication to duty. C. Political ambition. D. Cultural preservation. The sacrifices made by Beppo reflect which central theme of the book? The answer is B. Dedication to duty. Okay? So Beppo was very dedicated to his duty. Let's look at number 11. Why was Beppo reluctant to renew his passport? A. He feared the stress at the immigration office. B. He had no plans to travel abroad. C. He lacked the funds for renewal. D. He was unaware it had expired. The answer is A. He feared the stress at the immigration office. Number 12.